The judge dismissed the charges against the former Las Cruces police officer accused of choking a suspect to death. The defense arguing in court this morning the evidence did not match witness testimony and the state is failing to meet the burden of proof. The judge agreed.
After only 4 days, the Christopher Smeltzer case is being dismissed.
All rise for the jury, please.
Smeltzer, a former Las Cruces police officer, put Antonio Valenzuela in a chokehold back in February 2020. Valenzuela was wanted on drug charges. Smeltzer found him during a traffic stop and Valenzuela took off. After a foot chase, officers tried tasing Valenzuela. When that didn't work, they tackled him. Smeltzer performed a lateral vascular neck restraint on Valenzuela, a kind of chokehold meant to render someone unconscious at most. 5 minutes later, officers realized Valenzuela had died.
I can't feel a pulse on the wrist.
For real?
Smeltzer was charged with second-degree murder. His trial started on Monday. But today, his defense team argued witness testimony didn't match the evidence of the case.
What Mr. Briscoe said is that, well, I think Mr. Smeltzer may have applied a choke hold. But when I cross-examined him, I asked him, is there anywhere where you could see the position of his arm to support that in the videos? He said no.
They also argued the state failed to meet burden of proof in the case, saying they didn't prove Smeltzer intended to kill Valenzuela when he performed the chokehold.
The standard is the defendant must know that his acts created that strong probability of death or great bodily harm. It's not should have known, but it is known.
Because of this, the defense asked for a directed verdict. Judge Driggers granted that request.
Based on the evidence presented to the court is not satisfied that substantial evidence has been presented to show the requisite essential element of intent.
The jury was discharged and the charges against Smeltzer dismissed.
Smeltzer was originally charged with manslaughter, but DA Mark D'Antonio requested the AG prosecute Smeltzer. The AG then upgraded the charge to second-degree murder.